So where are we at? Today we are in Bartlett, Tennessee. And as you have already noticed, another degenerate. Bartlett, Tennessee cop Hunter Kissinger accused of touching tattoo artist inappropriately. Hunter C. Kissinger, a 31-year-old police officer from Bartlett, Tennessee, was arrested for alleged, you know how YouTube is, battery after inappropriate contact with a tattoo artist during a session on February 9th, 2025. Kissinger acknowledged the incident but denied making an inappropriate comment. His bond is set at $50,000. Why was Hunter Kissinger arrested? Hunter C. Kissinger, 31, of Bartlett, Tennessee. Did I say Texas earlier? I meant Tennessee. United States as a police officer. He was one of the resource officers at Bon Lin Elementary School in Bartlett. School resource officer also. Shocking. It is not. Aside from Bartlett, Kissinger has lived in other parts of Tennessee, including Arlington and Memphis. While off duty, he went to Sinister Tattoo on Stage Road in Bartlett on the morning of February 9th, 2025, when he was inked by a male tattoo artist. During the tattoo session, Kissinger allegedly touched the tattoo artist on his inner thigh several times. The cop is also accused of grabbing the artist by his groin and making an inappropriate comment. Now, he said he didn't make an inappropriate comment. He didn't say he didn't do that. That day, the Bartlett Police Department was informed of the incident. The artist told the officers who arrived on the scene that Kissinger harassed and inappropriately touched him. While Kissinger admitted to being involved in an incident with the artist, he told his fellow officers that he did not recall making an inappropriate comment. Kissinger was arrested and charged with battery. Bond for Kissinger was set at $50,000 on February 10th, 2025. He appeared in court. Kissinger is 5'11" inches tall and weighs 210 pounds. He has brown hair and brown eyes. First time I've seen him actually give all their information like that. Okay, so that's nothing to do with it. This was a date on here. Anyway, a few days ago. And here's another one. Officer arrested accused of battery while off duty, Bartlett police say. There's a degenerate right there. Right here, the tattoo artist punched him a time or two. Bartlett, Tennessee. Bartlett Police Department has confirmed that one of their officers was arrested and accused of battery. Hunter Kissinger, 31, is charged with battery. On February 9th, 2025, BPD was informed of an incident involving the arrest of an off-duty police officer for battery. Officers arrived on the scene at a tattoo shop on Stage Road. A man told officers he was harassed and touched by Kissinger, according to the affidavit. Now, these articles are like 5 days apart, and they seem to, but there's a couple videos with this one. The victim told police that Kissinger touched him on his thigh several times and grabbed him by his groin while making an inappropriate comment, according to the affidavit. According to the affidavit, Kissinger came down to the police station and admitted to being involved in an incident with the victim, but said he didn't recall making an inappropriate comment. He was identified in a 6-person photo lineup and arrested. The tattoo shop, Sinister Tattoo, shared video of the incident with Action News 5. Kissinger has since been freed on a $50,000 bond and is expected in court on Monday. Bartlett Police Department released the following statement of the officer's arrest. The alleged actions leading to the officer's arrest directly violate our department's core values. We've heard this before, right? As a result, the officer has been placed on administrative leave for an indefinite period pending the outcome of an internal investigation. Well, he said he did it. He said he didn't make the comment. There's your investigation done. I'm almost betting I can't find it. I can't prove it. I'm almost betting that's paid administrative leave. Bartlett Police Department holds its officers to the highest professionalism, integrity, and accountability standards. Higher standards. That's what it keeps saying. Holds their officers to the highest standards they hold their officers to. Not even a higher standard, the highest standards. It's a different standards. The community's trust is paramount, and we will take swift action to ensure that those who serve and protect the law are held to the same standards as the public they serve. Now, to serve and protect the law, it's supposed to be serve and protect the people, because the law almost always violates the Constitution. That those who serve and protect the law are held to the same standards as the public they serve. Really? Because just a second ago, I saw somewhere where it was a higher standard. High standards. Anyway, Bartlett Police Department, BPD social media post revealed that Kissinger was also a school resource officer for Bon Lin Elementary School as recently as spring of 2024. Action News 5 reached out to Bartlett schools for more information. And the information they got was no comment. So, here we are with this one.
A Bartlett police officer facing a serious felony tonight. 31-year-old Hunter Kissinger has been arrested and charged with sexual battery. I want to show you now security footage shared by a tattoo shop called Sinister Tattoo. It shows Kissinger getting a tattoo before you'll see the artist jump back and punch him in the
This was geared up not
face.
to even do that.
Before you'll see the artist jump back and punch him in the face. You can also see Kissinger's arm stretched out towards the artist.
And I find it strange that they didn't charge this guy with anything. They knew it was true.
Before that punch in the face, the victim told police Kissinger touched him on his thigh several times and grabbed him by his groin while making an inappropriate comment. Kissinger is out of jail after posting a $50,000 bond. He is scheduled to appear in court tomorrow. The Bartlett Police Department releasing a statement saying, in part, quote, the alleged actions leading to this officer's arrest directly violate our department's core values. As a result, the officer has been placed on administrative leave for an indefinite period, pending the outcome of an internal investigation, end quote.
End quote. Yes, let's end the quote. So, yeah. Officers to the highest professional standards. Highest professional standards, they said. Well, that's the standards. That's no standards. That's zero standards. He's probably got sleeve tattoos too. Degenerate. Also, works with children. He's a school resource officer. Let that one sink in. They have to get all them resources. They have to get no law enforcement in the schools, period. How about that? Let's do that. We could at least start there. Get them out of the schools. Because we see time and time again that they are pedophiles. So that's where we're at with this one. Also, again, can I say it 9,000 times? 90% of the people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You're at your computer. You have it on your TV. I know you got your phone in your hand. Feel free to click that button. And let me know what you think about this one. And like and share. And I'm out.